Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by targeting where the link comes from and creating the shortcut shell. On iPhone or Mac, open Shortcuts and make a new shortcut. Add a Get Clipboard action if you'll paste links, or use Get Details of Safari web page when invoked from sharing. Once done, name the variable and set input types to URL only. This ensures you pass a clean link, not text. Make sure to test with a sample URL before moving on to opening behavior. Next, wire the link to an opening action and configure how it launches. Insert open URLs and connect your URL variable. Choose a specific app if you need Chrome or a custom handler. If you require headers or OAuth, use a URL scheme or a Get Contents of URL action and then handle the response. Once done, add a conditional to detect non-URL input and show an alert. Test multiple targets so you know whether it opens in foreground, a new tab, or within the app. Finish by exposing the shortcut where you'll use it and adding final checks. Add to share sheet and enable the correct input types, or add to home screen for one-tap access. Include if actions to validate URL format and alert actions for failures. This prevents silent errors. If it doesn't open, make sure Shortcuts has permission to run, confirm the browser app accepts incoming URL schemes, and clear the clipboard or recopy the URL. These steps resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.